Automobiles board has ordered a probe against the company's promoter and chief executive officer Arvind Rao for the alleged misappropriation of funds. We've learnt that the board has asked an external auditor to establish the charges against Arvind Rao. Let's go across to our colleague from Bangalore, Chandra Ranganathan, who has all the details on this story. Chandra.
That's right, George. What I've learned from my sources is that the board has ordered a probe against Arvind Rao for alleged misappropriation of funds from the company. He's been charged of diverting these funds to his own company. That's why the board has ordered this probe, and we are also picking up from our sources that KPMG is conducting this audit for the company. Now, this is the reason why the board had to force a management change in the company a few days back, where they announced that Arvind Rao would now take care of international operations, whereas a two-member committee comprising the chairman and the audit committee chairman will look after the company affairs. So what we've picked up from our sources is this has been done because a probe has been ordered and they are trying to establish the charges against Rao so that further course of action will be taken. And we're also picking up that the board in recent weeks has been busy cleaning up the mess in the company. They've even fired the M&A head, Sandhya Gupta. That's what we are picking up. On Automobiles part, we did write into them with queries on all these fronts. They told us that Arvind Rao is not under the board scanner, but they did confirm that the company, the audit committee of the board has appointed an external independent agency to really improve the company's internal control mechanisms, and they are also saying that this appointment was made as part of a process to improve the corporate governance mechanisms of the company. But they have denied that any probe is specifically targeted towards Arvind Rao, and they have said that this will have no impact on stakeholders. But clearly it's going to be a serious charge going forward. A lot of questions on corporate governance, on why the board decided to give Arvind Rao an additional portfolio, keep him away from core affairs instead of just asking him to step down. Probably that's because he still has a significant stake in the company, and they're also waiting for the audit report to come out before they can verify the charges.